Okay, so we're back. We're going to check out some more stuff on the table here JB has. Jeff, thanks for showing us the vacuums last time.
Of course.
Talk to us about what you have over here. I see some probes. What in the world is this?
Yes, so, JB, we talked about our vacuum pumps. That's our bread and butter, what we were known for, came into the industry, industry leaders in. So we've pivoted, the industry is changing, technology is advancing.
Yeah.
We've gone away from analog manifolds to digital manifolds to now using a probe set, not carrying a manifold at all. So we came out with the Climate Class probe set.
Nice.
We're unique in the fact that we have a digital display on our probe set. So not only are you able to connect through Measure Quick, they built our app, log everything on your phone, iPad.
Yeah.
It'll talk to the manifold, but because of that display, you can get a quick reading. Sometimes
Right there.
temperature, you just need something fast. Pressure.
Yep.
We're the only ones with a pressure pass-through, so you can add refrigerant. No need to add an extra T, extra leak point.
Having that display right there, I love that. Like, that is so nice.
I'm excited about it.
You just said extra T? What
Yes.
You don't have, what are you talking about?
So with the pressure probes, historically, there was no charge pass-through.
Okay, give me that. Let me see that. What in the world? So this is your charging port.
Yes, so you can add
built
and
in
remove refrigerant
nice
right through the unit itself.
Okay.
Makes it easy.
That totally makes sense.
One less T you need to connect and add another leak
one less
point
part.
And mitigate. Yep.
Nice.
Yeah. So that's awesome. Going to come in a whole kit, pairs of two. So 2 psychrometers, 2 pressure probes, 2 temperature clamps.
Okay.
As well as we've got a new micron gauge. So you're going to be able to read this in any orientation, up, down, left, side, right.
That's funny. Who thought of that? Because all the time I'm twisting it back over, and then I'm a little bit worried that when I turn it, like I'm going to lose something and then throw out the reading, or I'm sitting upside down and pushing the light again. Yep. Okay.
So simple feature that we listen to the text, wanted to add in there. What really stands us apart from our competition is you can unlock and pull out the whole fitting here, which reveals this to be our sensor. This is the brains of everything.
Wow.
We now just have a brass fitting with a felt filter in there to help mitigate some of the larger contaminants, oil, refrigerants.
So you can pull this out to clean it.
Exactly. So.
Oh my gosh, that's convenient.
Much easier access through the hole to your sensor. No longer are you going to have to pull out your depressor, your gasket.
You don't have to try to fit alcohol in there and hope it makes it all the way and back out.
Exactly.
Wow.
Sensors, it's the newest generation, so it's a lot stronger.
And you said it's also replaceable, so you can buy just the sensor.
Correct.
Okay.
So we recommend having your one sensor with your unit, and then having a spare one in your van. Another feature as well is you can have multiple of these sensors and fittings, and have one of these head units. Walk around and put the head unit on each individual sensor.
Okay.
Get a quick reading from each one.
Makes sense.
And then again,
either different points on the same system, or if you're working in where multiple systems are.
Commercial job.
That's pretty cool.
Big chillers.
Okay.
So I'm excited about that.
Wow. That's awesome. So I hope everyone's been coming over and talking to you about this.
Most definitely.
Yeah. When is this hitting the market? When are people going to be able to get this?
Looking to ship in the next few weeks. So hoping mid-February. Keep an eye out. Check out jbind.com, our social media, Instagram, YouTube. We're everywhere.
Yep, you guys are going to want to be watching for these. Coming to a city near you.
Thanks for watching. If you're willing, give this video a thumbs up and drop us a comment. Don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with all of our future videos. And as a quick reminder, HVAC School isn't just a YouTube channel. Dive deeper with us at our main website, hvacrschool.com. Curious for more knowledge on the go? We've got you covered. Tune into the HVAC School podcast, available on all your favorite podcast apps. And while you're at it, join our thriving Facebook group. Also, don't miss out on our free mobile applications available for both iPhone and Android. We're all about community. For techs, by techs.